So our new game is Space Mission.
And we'll do a box art flash for this one. It's a pretty cool cover.
It's from Matt Warden. Matt Warden have the game self-published as a game called Jumpgate.
Okay.
And we change the artwork and a little bit of the mechanism. And I show you how it will work. So you have Jumpgate in the middle and gets 8 planets around us. And on every planet you have planet tiles, 8 tiles at any planet. And you have also a spaceship of your own.
Oh, spaceships.
Yeah. Colored. So the aim of the game is to get the most points. Okay, that's not new. But you have at the beginning 5 cards on your hand. 5 of these cards. So, summary. So. So all these tiles will be around every planet of these tiles. So, for example, when it's your turn, you have 2 actions. One of the action is to jump to a planet. So you have to take the correct jump coordinate. For example, for a 2, you can jump to this planet or to this planet or to this planet. So when I jump here, the card goes out. And that was the first action, for example. So next possible action is to jump to adjust the planet.
You got rid of this card because that was your movement?
Yes.
You had 2?
I have. This is the coordinate for this.
Oh, okay.
For this planet.
Now I see that. Okay.
So you have planets with 4 and something like that.
So you play cards in front of you, and
yeah,
you have to show them. You lay it out like that.
Yes.
Or okay.
They are gone out, and you have to get the cards later.
Okay, so if I played this, so you have 2 actions. So let me finish
Yes,
your. Let
that
me
was
let you
my
finish.
first action. And when I use the jump gate and play a card, I can make a chip inside the jump gate, because it's good to have the chips inside, because the player at the end who had the most chips inside the jump gate gets 9 points, second 6 points, 3 and so on.
Okay, so we all have our own colored chips.
Yes.
I see they're double-sided.
Double-sided, yes. You have these Sonden, these
the circles?
So, yeah, to place it here, and also for reserving some of the cards here. And the other side will be a space station, but I explain it next.
Okay.
So when you are on a planet, you have also the possibility to scan the planet, to know what's inside these cards. So one action is to have a scan, the correct scan card to scan this planet. For this planet I need a green one to scan this planet. And scan means I look at the cards and say, okay, that will be the best for me, and I reserve this for later. So
okay.
That's all. First action, I jump. Second action, to scan.
So scanning means you get to reserve.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm guessing the question marks icons are wild?
They're wild, yes. So next player and so on. When my next turn, I can also have two actions. For example, I will I will build a space station at this planet. So I have to have these both numbers. For example, a 3 and a 4 or a wild in orange. I need both of these cards.
Oh, okay.
So I can build a space station here. And after building a space station, all players who had reserved the cards, they will get this.
Okay.
So
once the PlayStation is or a space.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, in the middle. Oh, the cards. There we go.
Sorry.
No worries.
So you need those balls to get the correct
oh, it's really zoomed.
marker
Okay.
for this.
Okay. So only when a space station is played or created, I guess, can the players take.
They take
their
the
reserved,
and
the token for the space station goes here.
Yes.
So that's how I indicate that on the big blue planet, I have a space station, and there's only room for one space station
Only
per
one
planet.
yes, correct. And after placing a space station, you can discover at the planet. Also, another player who's here can get discovering the planet and takes only one tile from the pile to his. So he uses my space station also and can take a tile. And for the next action, you can also take the next.
So
tile.
you having a space station means that you can pull tiles. You get this stack of tiles.
Yeah.
Okay, so essentially you would want to go through the. You'd want to make sure that you're reserving your tiles in case you don't get the space station.
Yes, for sure.
Because the space station gets created by another player.
It might be that another player built a space station and I get this also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But when the game ends and your tile is also reserved and the planet is not developed, you don't lose it. You lose the tile. You don't get the tile.
You don't get that tile. Yeah. Okay, I see. All right, and so then what happens after?
Yeah. You have two actions: jumping, scanning, developing. Next thing is you can fly to another planet adjusted, but you don't lose a card.
Okay.
But you don't get a chip in the jump case also. And the last action I can make is to get new cards because I have to use the action to get 5 cards back to my hand. So that are the actions. You collect tiles, and these tiles will be bring the points at the end. The end means when you are at a planet and you take the last good tile to you, and there's only space left. These space tiles will be opened. Space is nothing. It's and the game ends when, for example, for 4 players, 10 space tiles are open.
Oh, so the space tiles automatically end the game if 10 of them are.
Yes, there are 16 space tiles inside the game, and for 4 players, when 10 space tiles are open,
and that's because space is so empty. There's nothing to develop here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of grim.
Yeah.
So so the other tiles.
Correct. What are the tiles? You have aliens. Different.
We'll turn them the other way.
Okay.
Yeah, because everyone sees them your way.
So you count for the aliens the longest color. For example, in this the blue aliens 1, 2, 3, multiplied with all of the aliens 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 multiplied with 4, you have 12 points for aliens.
Oh.
So what are the same counting is for what's the name? Minerals. Minerals. Yes, right. There are 4 different minerals in the game.
Wow, there are a lot of tiles. A lot of different symbols.
64 tiles.
And so I guess that's why there's a whole card just for the different.
So.
And I see these are dual language.
Yeah. For example, you have these minerals, 1, 2, 3, multiplied with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18 points for the minerals.
Ooh. Okay.
Aliens, there are only 2 colors. Minerals are 4 colors.
Okay.
But per color, aliens, you have 5 aliens per color, and minerals, you have only 4 tiles per color.
And then I see that there's also matter, water, metal.
You have
or metal.
2
a
points
metal.
for solid material. When you have a pair of green and blue, you get 7 points.
Oh, okay.
And for water, you have 2 points for 1 water, 5 points for 2 water, 9 for 3, and so on. And you have metals, and metal is only 3 points.
Okay.
You get also 3 points for every space station, and that's it.
All right.
So you can jump from planet to planet to look in the piles, what's going on, something there, what you are searching for, what you are collecting for. You can scan this and reserve this for later, and you can develop a planet to discover a lot of things at the planet, something like that.
Very cool. So this is, discovering the final frontier.
Yeah.
Well, that's
but the
very
game,
cool.
the playing time, only 30 minutes.
Okay, and it's for how many players?
2 to 5.
2 to 5. Oh, okay.
We have also
so 4 and up, 10 tiles of space ends the game.
Yes, for 4 players, for 5 players, 12 tiles of space and different.
I see. And can we see the other tiles real quick, or the other planets?
Yeah, sure.
Because these are pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of different planets. This one's kind of like Earth.
Yes,
it's called ecosystem. I like Hazard.
Hazard is very nice.
That one's pretty cool. And this one here is pretty cool too. It's like breaking apart already. Yeah. I would be surprised if there was water on that planet, but I guess anything.
It must.
This looks like Io.
Yeah.
Very cool. All right. Very nice. Very cool.
Yeah, we have a very good response here at the fair.
Yeah, it looks
People
great.
love the game.
And it's already available.
It's already available, and a lot of material. Yeah. And the retailer price here in Europe is up to only 20 euros. Yeah.
It's a good price. And so is it available in the States yet?
We have English version. The rules are English inside.
Yeah.
And you can import it.
You can import it, okay, but it won't be. Okay. Very cool. Awesome. Are there any questions from the chat? No? Okay. They want to see the box again? The insert. Oh, okay. Oh, we lost some of the tiles. Yep. Here's this.
Okay.
Yeah. Cards.
I don't see the camera above.